Every locksmith starts somewhere, grinding, struggling, losing time, losing profit. But the difference between average and elite is training, skill, speed, software. You can drill or you can pick. You can guess or you can program. You can work harder or you can upgrade. It's about leveling up. It's about keeping the profit. It's about playing at the next level. Upgrade your shop. Upgrade your game. Upgrade month, April and May. Hands-on Lishi, April 30. J2534 and OEM, May 1st and 2nd. Reserve your seat only at American Key Supply.